So guys, just gonna move this out of the way since this is a control box I'm working on for a Lego Siren system or whatnot. I'm thinking like a wall-mounted control box for a future Lego Siren project. I'll work on that later. More on it later as well. But yeah, I'll be showing you how to build your own splitting mechanism. So let's get right into the build, shall we? Oh boy. Let us begin by, and this can be used on any ship you're building. I would recommend for a smaller model, I would recommend basically 2 of these black flat pieces, or whatever pieces you're going with. I still have to find another one of them, but for the time being, we can just use this. I'll also go explaining this hinge piece on how to use it as well. I have not had a lot of luck with the hinge piece, but this is an extra addition. I'll make an extra video on that later if you guys request it, and if we can get this video to 10,000 likes or at least 100 likes, at least 10 likes, I'll make another video where I explain this. I have a lot more videos for you guys on plan, so yeah. Without further ado, let's just get right into the build. So to make your own easy splitting mechanism, you're going to need a 2x4 brick and any color of your choice. So recommend 2 of them, and you place them on your plates, on your little flat plates here. You place them together and then you work from there. So you place your flat plate here. You can also put them here as well on both sides if you have 2, and then with the extra added plate you also have to make this flat. That means you have to add something like that, and even though it may look a bit vague right now, watch this. You take this off. I know, seems like a doozy, right? Just wait. Put the white flat, the black or whatever choice color flat smooth brick, with that one with no pegs, on one with pegs of any color of your choice, and then add that to the top of the first. So it could be, for like example, this could be the bow, this will be the stern of the section of the ship, and you just attach it like that. Doesn't look vague, or it looks vague, but watch this. Here, you take this, another one of the black or whatever choice of color of your plates. You add either 2 of these, I know they're not perfect, or just add 2 solid bricks, whatever your choice of your color, onto the stern section, and then you attach that there. I'm not finished yet. Here's what we're gonna do, guys. As you can see, it looks to be a little vague. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spice it up a bit. We're going to add a 2x2 plate here, and basically you're finished in the stern section. As you can see, it slides perfectly. It might take a little bit, and to make your model split, you may have to like either create just a basically air-filled stern, and then like a bow that's just bow of the ship is just completely filled with coins, or whatever you want to do with it, and then when it gets to a certain angle, it'll just slide off. Just like a Titanic submersible model, like I'll show here in the up here on the screen. As you can see, when the model splits, it splits at a shallow angle, while this will split at a higher angle, or it'll split underwater given the chance. Now, you just add any exterior color or whatever you want to do, and you're basically finished. So guys, that's basically the basic tutorial on how to use this to make your own splitting mechanism. Let me know down in the comments if this was helpful. I'll see y'all next time. Till the next alert, this is Dixie Alley ES, and I'm signing out. Later.